Did you know that around the outside, but inside, it's a ticking time bomb of glitches and security issues. That's not just frustrating, it's dangerous. Now, let's get into the juicy part, unboxing a fake iPhone 13 Pro. I've got one right here, and we're going to compare it to the real thing. First off, just looking at the packaging, you can see some differences. The fake one has a slightly off color on the box and the logo isn't quite right. But let's dive deeper. When we pull the phones out, you can immediately spot some differences in the weight. The fake feels a bit lighter, which is a huge red flag. And check this out. The camera lenses on the fake are smaller and it shows how much care Apple puts into their technology and how these fakes completely miss the mark. If you're looking for security and functionality, you're definitely not getting it with a counterfeit. So, to wrap things up, we've explored some major differences between the real iPhone 13 Pro and the fake one. From the packaging to the performance, and especially the security features, it's clear that buying a counterfeit isn't worth the risk. Remember, if you're thinking about purchasing a phone, always go through trusted sources to avoid falling into the counterfeit trap. I want to hear from you. Have you ever had any experiences with fake phones? Drop a comment below and share your story. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights and tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.